It's learning time. Okay, so today we're going to review everything we learned so far in our Bible lesson and also do a couple activities in the workbook. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. In the beginning, God created the. You gotta pick the.
The fish.
All right.
The bird.
Mm-hmm.
And the animal.
Okay. God created the Garden of. Pick the correct answer.
God created the garden of.
What it was? I can't hear you.
I said the garden.
Yep.
Eden.
All right. Next one. Cain and Abel are. Okay. All right. So who created Adam and Eve?
God.
Okay. Now you got to write God. Okay. You got blank. You got fill in the thing. Blank and blank is Cain and Abel's mom and dad. Who is Cain and Abel's mom and dad? Who is Cain and Abel's mom and dad?
Adam and Eve.
So now you got to write Adam and Eve. All right. Noah built in. Okay. God made it. What? What he made it do?
Flood.
Okay. All right. It rained how many days and nights?
40 days.
All right. Noah sent out a. What did Noah send out? All right. Yep. Raven and what else? Okay. Raven and a dove.
I put